Wow, may confetti na.
I just woke up from a dream. You and I, we had to say goodbye. I don't know what it all means, but since I survived, I realized wherever you go, that's where I'll follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow, so I'ma love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last night. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you.
Ang ganda ng makeup, ang ganda ng hair, ang ganda ng damit niya. Pang grand finals talaga. Sariling version na naman niya to, guys. Ganda ng dynamics. Ang galing. Wow, may confetti na. Ang galing. Wala siyang kaboses. Version niya talaga to. She deserved to win.